The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is revolutionizing the drone industry with its advanced features and robust performance. This drone doesn't just bring minor upgrades, it introduces a triple camera system, extended battery life, and all-round obstacle avoidance that collectively set a new standard for aerial photography and videography. But does it justify its premium price tag compared to other options on the market? Let's find out. One of the most impressive aspects is its triple camera setup. The main camera is a 24mm wide-angle Hasselblad lens equipped with a large 4:3 CMOS sensor. This combination delivers exceptional image quality and remarkable color accuracy, producing vibrant and detailed photos straight out of the camera. It's a significant advantage for photographers who want professional-grade images without extensive post-processing. The standout feature is the new 70mm mid-telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. This lens expands your creative horizons, allowing you to capture detailed shots from a distance without sacrificing image quality. It's perfect for achieving that desirable compression effect and offers a fresh perspective even in familiar locations. Additionally, it supports 48-megapixel RAW photos, providing ample detail for any post-production needs. The third lens is a 166mm telephoto with 7 times optical zoom. While it doesn't quite match the image quality of the other 2 lenses, it's invaluable for capturing distant subjects, especially when safety or regulations require you to keep the drone at a distance. It's most effective when the subject is closer and the lighting conditions are favorable, such as high-contrast environments. When stacked against other drones in its price range, the Mavic 3 Pro stands out for its versatility. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic, for example, offers the same excellent wide-angle camera, but lacks the additional lenses. If your work mainly involves wide-angle shots, the Classic could be sufficient. However, for those needing the flexibility of multiple focal lengths without compromising on image quality, the Mavic 3 Pro is the superior choice. Other drones, like the DJI Air 2S or the Autel Evo Lite Plus, come at a lower price but don't offer the same level of image quality or the creative possibilities provided by a triple camera system. Battery life is another area where the Mavic 3 Pro excels. It boasts up to 43 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, but in real-world usage you can expect around 35 to 40 minutes. The extended flight time means fewer interruptions and more opportunities to capture the perfect shot, which is crucial for professional work. Safety features are robust, featuring omnidirectional obstacle sensing and the advanced pilot assist system. These technologies help the drone navigate complex environments smoothly, giving you added confidence during flights and reducing the risk of accidents. However, the drone isn't without its drawbacks. Some users have noticed that the gimbal may struggle with the heavier camera module, leading to slight horizon drift or camera tilt during sudden movements or in windy conditions. Additionally, switching between the 3 cameras can be somewhat slow on the standard DJI RC controller, which can be a hindrance when trying to capture fast-moving subjects. Weighing in at 958 grams, the Mavic 3 Pro falls into the C2 category, subjecting it to stricter regulations in some regions, which is one of its main downsides. This could limit where and how you can operate the drone, so it's an important factor to consider before making a purchase. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro offers an unparalleled combination of image quality, versatility, and advanced features. While it has a few shortcomings, its strengths make it one of the best premium drones currently available. For professionals and enthusiasts who demand flexibility and top-notch performance, this drone is a great choice that justifies its premium price. To sum up, what I like is the exceptional image quality from the wide-angle and 70mm lenses, the versatile triple camera system expands creative possibilities, the impressive battery life for longer flight times, and the advanced obstacle avoidance sensors for safer flying. On the downside, gimbal may struggle with the heavier camera module, affecting stability in certain conditions, switching between cameras can be slow on the standard controller, and the heavier weight leads to stricter regulations and potential limitations. That's it, guys. But don't go yet, there's so much more to discover. Check out more of our videos packed with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best choices.